dear student. I am going to teach class 10th and subject English. My chapter name is The Girl with a Basket. The Girl with Basket is one of the best lesson by William C. Douglas. William C. Douglas means he was an Englishman and he wrote this poem. He wrote this poem about a girl. He was very impressed. He was really very impressed about this girl. You know that William C. Douglas, who was a writer, he was traveling in a train and he was going to Ranikhet by a train. He was traveling at that time and he enjoyed the beauty of the nature. Okay, so you know that he had seen many scenes in his fields. So you know, when he was traveling, the train was full of the people. Okay, the train was full of the people means people are very different with each other. Their occupations are very different, and you know the train was slowly very. Then the writer, one station the writer got down, okay, on the ground. So the writer, when the writer got down there on the ground, so there are many people gathered him. And the station was full of the people. They are very different, like Sikh, Muslim and Ishai and Hindu and each other, and their occupations was also different. You know, their occupation means they are hawkers, potters and coolie and many other things. Okay, so when the writer got down on the station, some refugee children gathered him, and they were selling fans and basket. So you know, the writer was really impressed. Those the girls and boys who were selling the basket, and the writer brought many fans and basket. So at the last time, when his arms were full, okay, so you know that he was really impressed. A girl who was 9 years old came him and requested, sir, please take my some basket. But the writer, you know that William C. Douglas had no place. He had no place at that time, and he know that he was an Englishman, so he was speaking English very fluently. But at that time the condition was very bad. There were no persons. He was unable to find some people who is speaking the English. So that area, that condition was a very very miserable condition. Okay, so you know that. So at the last time the writer find some people who was speaking very well. Okay, So the writer at that time is speaking about some important matters. After that, when he alighted, okay, on the platform, some refugee children also gathered him, and the writer was purchasing many things, and he had no room, he had no place at that time. So a girl who was 9 years old, she was a very beautiful girl, she was a very amusing girl, so seeing the condition of the writer, okay, the writer really impressed of that girl. He was very attractive to see the condition of that girl. So the girl requested him, please sir, please take me some fans and basket. But you know that the writer had no place at the time, and he was compelled, so he was unable to take their fans and basket. So the writer felt pity, and the writer take some money from his pocket and to give that girl. But that girl was very felt pride. Okay, she at once returned that money. So see, that girl was returned their money. So you know that the writer very astonished to see the condition of that girl. Okay, when the girl refused the money, so the writer was confused. What is the matter? Means what is going something in their mind. The writer also very confused. So at that time, at once the gave the writer take his fence and basket and gave some money to the girl, and after that the girl taking this fan and basket, the girl returned his home, and she was very happy, she much pleased when she gave some money, okay, when she received some money. And at the last time when the writer got down, when the writer reached his destination, he described this story about the first prime minister named Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Means he described why he loved this girl very much, because that girl was Indian, and she pride about the independence. So this is the main cause she liked. Okay, this is the main cause, means William C. Douglas liked this girl very much. Okay, thank you.